I'm Adrian Maxwell, I'm the Managing Director of Fracino here in Birmingham. Fracino is a special company. We are the only manufacturers of espresso coffee machines here in the United Kingdom, and we're constantly evolving and bringing new models out, new designs, new styles, new colours. If you look back in the old days, we were so old-fashioned, it was unreal. Everything written down, duplicate pads. If you lose a piece of paper and it's lost out of a file, you don't know where you are, you won't get paid for that job. And we realised that this was not good as the business was growing. We did some homework, we started looking at different systems, and it became perfectly obvious that Sage 200 Cloud would do everything that we needed, and possibly a lot more. So now we have one system that does CRM, does stock control, does works orders, production planning, serial number, it controls everything. Some of those things used to take me 3 and 4 hours to do. I've got programs and reports that we've written on Sage. I can click a button, I can give you those in 10 minutes. So enormous time savings. The greatest feeling is when you go to a foreign country and you walk into a bar there and you see your coffee machine on the counter and you go, we've made our mark.